press conference Tipra Mothani 1st September 2022 abuto nukhana noroko jeng tabo oros hana naimani hinke a conference main important point na analyze khainai with our opinion and chini views bo tamo abono tei abo jeng sawi khana nai and by election don purbai boksana kono teibo chini personal opinion eba views jeng narono share khlainai phati tabok jeng greater Tipra ni demand no tei je meeting mani interlocutor eke misra home minister Amit Shah songbai malai kha kusu onek bano Tipra Motha rok o demand no tei kok salai mani busuk jora tei meeting positive angkha eba negative angkha abo sana thangke jeng saiman kha o meeting je Tipra Motha rok home minister interlocutor rok bai malai borok kok salai mani abo asuk positive thangya kho khanai ni o video Tipra Motha ni president tamo
let me come back to the talk.
Yeah.
Talks is going on, but we don't see any positive step of the central government. We know that they said we will think it. We will think, not consider, we will think it.
On what?
Think and consider.
Think on what?
Of our demand.
There are two basic differences between the demand. One is democratically the right to be fulfilled for the development of another part is greater Tipra land, that is the separate state demand. So what did the central government exactly say? Because the leaders over here they are categorically saying we are against separate state, but we are for the development of the indigenous people. We also they are saying.
You see, it is not only single demand. We have already explained
Exactly.
some of the demand for the people. So they can, I think, shake the constitution also for any other issue which would be benefited for the people.
But your demand is within the constitution.
Yeah,
State
we
demand
said
is not
within the
constitutional
constitution.
demand.
We are not outside the constitution. So if they can have any such move,
je borok kok salai pumani o demand no tei home minister interlocutor borok hangkangke o demand no tei one sok nai sikho hunai se sakho o greater Tipra ni demand no borok consider se khayako that means tamo angi tongka hangke abo haike borok let khaite 5 borsor pairi nani nai and next Lok Sabha election to tabok fight nongo 2024 Sabha election to buskani samari bo chengnai tei bisi din kerika Tripura duita seat tongo a election ni seka Motha rona teise ringe bande nani nai borok Tipra Motha party to o demand no tei kuno dino borok compromise khaya abo borok bo sikha sana thangke nai di o chini greater Tipra land demand eba Tipra land demand CPM Congress BJP rok support khaya tangai party ni color alada angai manu but borok ni je one chok male hayable bongni one chok ma chini demand no tei borok absolutely against no thangu party no chamaya borok ni one chok man no samanisi full explanation khaina ni thangya abune tei one choki nai di norok no MLA Tipra Motha ni Ranjit Debarma CPM ni ex-CM Radha Charan no sungka don puro Jeffru ang sukla no norong ni Tipra len biang hani korang tisa puro CPM ni je opposition tongnai rok kisale support khaina na mani bat borok support khaya sing tongwi tongo aron sijagi tongo je o demand no buini dofani borok sajakya tabuk phayo donpur boksanagar ni election ni kok no tei Tipra Motha rok basaya phano borok ground no thangai onek no samung khai tongo Motha ni president Sakha jeng kebo party no support khaya hanai jeng candidate buria jeng chini warriors ni yago freedom rijak je borok chajak mano borok boot ridi hanai chaje hangga bootar thang bongni ichha bongni freedom tabuk o by election ni result manfrusi onek no interesting ngai Tipra Motha ni LOP MLA Animes Debarma Sakha jeng by election no focus ria eba rang west khaya tangi hinke thanai Bidhan Sabha election no paimani se 6 months ka kho abuni result norok jotono nukbai khana chungbo nukha abo 6 month by change ngai maya abuni bagai jeng decision naharka jeng candidate ria hanai tangi hinke jeng candidate ke jeng chennai ajaga so waste of money waste of time chini demand se kotor ko by election ro kotoria jeng tabuk jotono strong khlai se chini greater Tipra land demand no tei jeng tabuk karak khe khurang tisalaina nango hunai srai ke LOP Animes Debarma sawi khana rikha Tabu o jagao norokno kaisa question khlainani musungo je norokni wansok male bahai Tipra Motha bai BJP rok logi kaisa de angna nang naki CPM bai Tipra Motha de logi kaisa angna nang o decision press conference khai Tipra Motha ni president saklai mani abo da norok support khai Tipra Motha kebono support khlaya Tipra Motha I borokni warriors rokni yago khiklai ka je borok vote na musungmani ajagao vote thang khani decision naharmani abo da norok jajak o tinta ni bisingo bomo norokni wansok male bahai abo norok comment box o share khlai di jono norokni opinion no jeng nai pore nai so video no norok jajak hangga like share subscribe khlai di hambai.